Welcome to my channel. Fish fry recipe. Let's make delicious and simple fish fry recipe. First, we will prepare the spices for frying the fish by adding ginger, garlic, and green chilies. Grand WEL. I will add a little lemon extra to it because the more lemon it tests, the more fish it will test. Mixed well. Now we will leave the fish with spices for half an hour. Fry the fish well on both sides. The fish is ready to eat, and now take it out on a plate and enjoy it. Very simple and delicious fish is prepared. Thanks for watching.